Oh, Meals
on Wheels.
I don't know, is that the fifth wheel?
That means your toilet's in the shower.
Corp of...
That's in your hot water tank.
It's not preferable by me, but some love it.
So I'm super excited about this video because we are here at the Tampa Supershow. This is one of the biggest RV shows that happens all year. And in this video, we're gonna actually find some people here at the show and just test them on their RV knowledge and their knowledge about RV living. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned. This is gonna be a super fun video.
If I could start the story from the end, then maybe I could end all this pretending.
Your name again?
Rich.
And?
Melinda.
And how long have you guys been RVing?
Since we were married 48 years ago.
Oh my gosh, 48 years. I think that they've got everybody beat.
And we used to camp with both our parents. So,
Okay. So I'm sure you know the answer to every single one of these questions. So let's just start with, as it relates to RVing, what is a dog bone?
A dog? I don't know. I don't know.
You stumped us.
A dog bone is a treat you give a dog.
As it relates to RVing, if you had to guess.
Heck, God, dog
Can they
bone.
phone a friend?
Oh, it's a piece that goes on in your electrical cord to either reduce your power or enhance it at the pedestal.
He's absolutely right. He knows. If you had to guess.
I have no clue. It just doesn't.
Oh, I know. My mind's kept out. Okay, I got chemo brain. Okay, leave me alone. Yeah, I had that happens with me. I'm a damn chemo fever. Anyways.
Is it electric?
No, dog bone. Oh, geez. Dog bone is a piece of electrical equipment that goes from the pedestal to your electrical plug-in.
Correct. What is a dog bone?
Oh, the dog bone is, no, wait a minute, it's the connector from a 50 to a 30, 30 to a 50.
That is the thing that allows you to go from 50 amp to 30 amp, 30 amp to 50 amp.
I got a bunch of them in my camper. I didn't know what you
And that's
called
called
them,
a
but
dog bone. So see, they learned something brand new.
A 30 to a 50 or...
Yes, or yes, one of those. That's called, it's an adapter.
My name is Joe.
Joe. Okay, Joe is studying to be an RVer. He's been doing his due diligence. He's researching, so I'm sure he's gonna know every single one of these. So as it relates to RVing, what is a dog bone?
The dog bone. I don't know, is that the fifth wheel?
No.
No,
If you had to guess.
I don't know.
Not sure what a dog bone is.
I have a
is
dog
it?
bone right here.
You have a dog bone right there. That's not the...
Here's a dog bone right here.
He has a dog
I have a
bone.
dog bone right
There's
there.
a dog
Here,
bone
Moose.
right there.
Here,
Oh,
Moose.
give Moose a bone.
They say you should try to find yourself.
How long have you guys been RVing?
Off and on for over 20 years.
What is a macerator?
Well, we don't have one, but it's basically a impeller motor-driven thing in the bottom of the toilet that chops everything up before it goes into the tank.
Instead of dumping, you hook it on, it's electric, and it pumps it to the sewage.
It breaks things down smaller.
Yeah, see, they got all of this. Bill from Nashville is not yet RVing, but he has gone to YouTube University to learn how to RV and has become an RV expert. And so he's going to share some of that amazing knowledge with us right now.
Let's see.
What is a honey wagon?
I know what that is.
Oh, man, a honey wagon.
wagon.
Yeah, you already
I'm
got
going to be the answer.
She knows all of
It's
this,
just
man.
a poopy wagon, that's it.
Oh, Meals
Oh,
on
Meals
Wheels.
on Wheels.
That's
Meals on Wheels. First time I've heard it called that.
That's how you take your stuff to the dump station.
What is a honey wagon?
Those are, well, there's the manual ones. You can do yourself little totes, but usually it's the bigger trucks that come in when there aren't full hookups and they pump out your tanks.
For example, if they had a honey wagon to come through the sites over here, they could pump out our dirty business, our toilets, our tanks.
What is a honey wagon?
Oh, brother. Right here, I'm pushing it. That's the honey. The honey's inside,
That's-
but I've got the
This
wagon.
is his honey wagon.
Oh, is that the thing for removing from the compost toilet? No? Okay. Well, then I don't know. You got us on this
We got, okay, so if you had to guess, maybe. If I told you it did have something to do with waste, any guesses?
Moving waste, maybe, from one place to another?
Well, that's what I kind of was alluding to, but yes, no.
Yes. So the honey wagon is, it's basically a portable waste tank on wheels. that if you were at a campground that didn't have sewer,
you dump
or if you were boondocking, right, you could dump into that and then wheel it over to where the dump station is. So, you guys have been RVing for
3 years.
3-ish years? Okay, perfect. They should totally be experts in all of these things. So, what is an anode rod?
Anode rod. It's for your water heater.
That's in your hot water tank.
See, he knows. So as it relates to RVing, what is commonly known as the Stinky Slinky?
Oh, that's your sewer hose.
Yes, correct. That would be their. See, they have a lot more knowledge than what they're letting on here.
The dirty end of the job. Sewer line.
The sewer hose, absolutely correct.
It's for the poopy wagon.
The thing you won't change, the thing you won't touch.
You have to wear gloves, and it stinks.
How many RV manufacturers are there?
That's a trick question, right? Always new ones. Bentley's here, they're a new one, right? I heard.
Brinkley.
Brinkley, yeah, Brinkley.
Yes. Now you got the hard one.
3,492. No.
So no, there's 114 as of last year. How many RV manufacturers are there?
Too many.
I'm going to go with that answer.
Basically, there's only, I think there's only like 6 major ones that cover a majority of almost all brands.
Correct. So I have Patrick and Diane. And do you guys currently own an RV or you're just looking?
Yes, we own one.
So they own an RV, so this should be really easy for you, Patrick. So as you guys are walking around looking at RVs, if you see an RV and that RV has a wet bath, what does that mean?
It has a bathtub.
That means your toilet's in the shower.
Correct.
Basically.
It's got a full flush toilet and a shower.
Lots with the sink and the shower and the toilet are all
in one room. All right, you passed.
I don't know. No idea.
So a wet bath in an RV is where the shower and the toilet and the sink are all in the same room.
The only one.
Means your toilet's going to get wet, and so is your sink, and it's not preferable by me, but some love it.
A wet bath is toilet, sink, and shower all in one room.
See, they know. And is that in the same place?
Yes, it's all in the same place. Where your toilet is, you're also taking a shower.
You're taking a shower while you're on the toilet.
That's right.
In a wet bath, yes.
Hello.
Hi. What is boondocking?
Boondocking is when you are camping somewheres without any hookups whatsoever.
Do you like boondocking?
Well, we hadn't been able to do that yet because our camper was not capable of it.
Gotcha.
Somebody stole it.
Would you go boondocking?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
In a heartbeat.
Yes. So you would do it if
Yes.
you had the opportunity to do it. All right, awesome. Now, if I told you that I booked a campground at a COE campground,
Corps of Engineers.
Oh, see? They're totally they're RV. Okay.
Pay attention. Come on, bring it on.
Harder questions.
Gosh, it's a government type of thing.
If you had to guess.
Lord.
Something environment? No?
No.
Corporate? No, Corps of Engineers.
Yeah.
Corps of Engineers. Awesome. COE.
COE. Engineers. Corp of
Almost.
Engineering.
Yes, they got it. Corps of Engineers
Corps of
campground.
Engineers.
There you go. Awesome. Where in an RV would you find the basement?
Well, that's going to be in a fifth wheeler. It's usually right behind the hitch and just underneath.
Underneath where your storage is.
Yeah.
Basement would be under the bottom where you would have storage.
Where would you find the basement in an RV?
Oh, below the floor, outside, all your compartments below the floor.
We don't have much of a basement.
All the cabinetry outside underneath the rail.
Yes, so it would be your underneath storage,
We don't have any.
essentially.
Yes.
Essentially. Where is the RV capital of the U.S.? Where are most RVs made?
You tell it.
What, do you want me to tell her Elkhart, Indiana?
Yeah.
Okay.
Elkhart, right?
Elkhart, Indiana.
Elkhart,
Indiana.
Oh, see, they know all the questions. So here I have Ben, right? You said
Ben.
your name was Ben?
Yep.
Okay, and so Ben, where is the best place to get RV accessories?
Oh, that's totally an easy one. I would say E-Trailer by far is the best place to get accessories, because I actually just got a bike rack to hook up on my Jeep.
Okay.
And to haul around my 2 e-bikes.
And you got that from?
E-Trailer.
And so why is E-Trailer the best place for these types of accessories?
E-Trailer is the best place because, one, their customer service is amazing. Hands down, the best customer service. I actually was wondering if it's going to be compatible with my Jeep and my current setup with my new electric e-bikes. And so I called them up, asked them, say, hey, I got a Jeep, I got some electric e-bikes. Is this going to be compatible? And they checked out what year it was, you know, the type of bikes I had, and they said, yes, it's going to be perfectly compatible. And actually, I had a problem installing it, and so I had to call them up, and they helped me walk through the install.
If people want to check out E-Trailer,
yeah,
get accessories, bike rack like you did, something like that, where should they go to do that?
Absolutely, yeah, just go to gratefulglamper.com/E-Trailer.
What does TPMS stand for?
Tire pressure measurement system.
Close. What does TPMS stand for?
Do you know? I'll let you you know that?
I just split blank.
Tire pressure monitoring service or system.
System. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Huge safety thing, right?
Huge.
Yes.
Every time we move, we use it.
Yes.
And before we leave, we always check our pressure manually as well, just to
Yeah.
make sure everything's ready.
No, that's definitely a good idea. The tire pressure monitoring system. All right. Well, I think you are well on your way for RV Life. Thanks for playing along. Appreciate it. So you'll have to let me know in the comments below if any of these terms were new to you or if you know exactly what we were talking about. If you'd like to check out some more tours from the Tampa show, you can check those out right up here. If we don't see you out on the road or around the campground, we'll see you in the next video. Oh, never mind. I'm kind of nervous. See, you've got some RV knowledge. See, you've got it. So
Come on in here. Come on.
We know her too.
Yes, we know her too. Yes.
All right. So
Hey, just ignore me. Just go back to whatever you're doing over there.
So he knows the answer. He knows the answer. I know he does. Tell me it, Billy. Tell him.
Oh God! Now my mind's just going off. I haven't heard
a dog bone, or we call it sometimes the shoilet. You have the shower and the toilet all in one room. It's correct. Absolutely correct. Ding, ding, ding.
It took me a second, okay? I'm sorry. I'm old on
No. It's all right. They got one. Okay, so.
Thanks for phoning the
Yeah, I tried. And we watch YouTube.
Did you give him the answer?
Hey.
Good job. 2 out of 3. He knows his stuff. So good luck. Thanks so much for playing along. Appreciate it. It was nice to meet you.